You can also create some shortcuts using the F keys in your keyboard. This will allow you to open quickly your most frequent functions. You go to Tools, My Shortcuts, Customize. On the Allocation tab, you have two sides. On the left side, it will display all the modules in SAP Business One. On the right side, it will display all the windows selected to that module. If I want to allocate my open item list, for example, I can choose which key I want to use and then find the appropriate window that I want to be open automatically. The allocate button will allow you to allocate that module to that F key. If you want to remove them, just click the remove button. The list tab will show you all the functions that you have for each one of the F keys. Once you select it and OK, if you press the F3 key, it will open the open item list automatically.